Miss Harder. Yep.
Hello, Room 9. Miss Zeckman here.
With Miss Harder.
And Miss Wu. Yay! We are going to do our baking challenge.
Don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water.
Yes, so we've washed the table down, we've washed our hands, and we are making double chocolate chip cookies for the staff here. And
I'm not sure.
And we are going to record all the fractions that are in our recipe. So for your baking challenge, you can either do baking or cooking, any recipe of your choice, but it needs to have 3 different value fractions in it. All right, Miss Harder, what do we do first?
Okay, number 1, cream the butter sugar.
All right,
so we need 1 and 1/8. Oh my, that's a lot of butter. 1 cup and 1/4 of a butter.
Ooh, 1/8. That's our first fraction.
Ooh.
What's an equivalent fraction to 1/8?
2/16.
Oh, what about 3/24?
What about 4/32?
What about 5/40?
I'm out. Miss Wu, do you know any equivalent fractions?
No.
What? You don't do fractions in grade 2?
No, we don't.
No, that's not fractions. Okay.
All right.
Miss Wu, what's another number for 1? Miss Wu's like, there's not one. Miss Zeckman, you need more butter.
Oh, I'm doing 1 stick at a time. So what did it say? 2 sticks and what? A half a stick?
No, and 1/4, 1/8.
1/8 a stick?
Yeah. Do you like my apron? It's made of Barbies.
These are all Miss Harder's apron.
Because Miss Harder is old and has aprons.
Yeah, she's stylish.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, Miss Harder, what did you bake for the staff last night?
Oh, I had 6 sad bananas, and together they banded together and made some beautiful bananas breads.
Oh, it's so
And
good.
we put it on a Harry Potter plate, just in case anyone didn't know it was from me. They would see the Harry Potter plate and be like, oh, Miss Harder must have made that. So, Miss Wu didn't have any. She doesn't like banana bread.
No, I did. I had one.
Okay, good. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good.
Thanks. I make good bananas breads. Why? Don't make a mess. Apparently, Zeckman's never baked before. See how the measurements are on the butters?
Okay, we need 2 tablespoons.
Okay, look. 1, 2. Less dishes. There we go.
Woo!
Look at that. I just taught Miss Zeckman something.
Today wasn't a waste. I learned something.
And there'll be cookies.
Yeah, it's going to be a great Wednesday. All right, what do we need
Thursday.
to cream the butter with? No, today's Wednesday.
Oh, you cream it with this?
Today's Wednesday.
Okay, it's Wednesday. Are you sure?
Yes.
And you need 2 cups. 2 cups of sugars.
Okay.
That's a lot. Oh.
Here's the cup, Miss Wu.
Oh, Miss Wu's gonna make the sugars. Okay.
Do I need this thing? I got this thing too.
Oh, you can cream with that if you want. Or you can just do it with your hand. Well, not your hand, but... It's like they've never baked before. What is happening?
Yeah, I don't bake.
This is my challenge, is the baking itself.
Yeah, really, hey? You can do the... Miss Kim, we gotta fill it.
I don't know. I'm just.
Okay.
You think I can
Gotta be
unplug the
careful.
coffee machine to steal the extension cord?
Not unless you want Mr. Wilkinson to kill you. You.
Oh, wave to the camera, Miss Diaz. We're recording. Hi, everyone.
That's too
Oh, dear Lord, Miss Wu. Be more aggressive. What is happening right now?
Oh, Phil.
You can never do too much sugar.
Okay.
Alright?
Yes.
Let's get this.
Looks like...
Popcorn? No, it
Yeah.
looks like that popcorn twist. Right?
Show the camera. Show the children what you're doing over there.
Alright, children, how's it look?
Weird and creepy. Okay, there's your eggs in a second. Miss Zeckman, do you want me to pre-crack your eggs so you don't get shells in your batter?
I should. Okay, and crack it in the container.
No, let's get a bowl.
But then we're making more dishes.
We're gonna put that in the dishwasher. Oh no, all the shells went in. Ha ha, that was a joke. Also, I think I could be a famous YouTube star. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Alright, can I put them in now?
Yeah, put them in.
Alright. I keep blending.
Yeah, and you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Smells nice. 1, 2. That looks weird.
I know.
Keep going a second.
Okay.
Alright, so the next thing we're gonna add. Oh, Miss Zekman,
What?
second fraction.
Oh, what's our second fraction?
3/4
3/4.
cup. Oh, Miss Zekman, we don't have a 3/4 cup.
Oh no.
We have a 1/4 cup
Oh my.
and a 1 whole cup. Miss Zekman, is 3/4 more than 1 cup or less?
3/4 is less than 1 cup.
So it's a part of a whole?
Yeah, it's a fraction of a whole.
Oh, like a decimal?
Like a
Oh
decimal.
my god, so I shouldn't use this one. Okay, Miss Zekman, could I use this 1/4 cup?
Yes, but how many times would we have to use it, Miss Harder?
Well, the number on top was 3, so maybe 3 scoops with this 1/4?
So you're saying 3 1/4 would equal 3/4.
I think that seems right.
All right.
Alright, let's do it. Oh my god, my hands are clean, that's okay.
1/4.
2/4 or half.
3/4. All right, Miss
Yeah.
Harder, what's an equivalent fraction for 3/4?
30/40.
Ooh.
How about you, Miss Zekman?
What about 75/100? 100.
I like it. How about 6/8?
Ooh. How about 8/12?
We win at fractions. Okay, oh, we need to put baking soda and salt. Baking soda, 1 teaspoon.
The baking soda is this one.
Did you already pre-measure it?
I sure did.
Oh, go Miss Zekman.
Mr. Howison, why don't you grab an apron and come
Mr.
on in?
Halverson's here.
But
He's just here for the cookies.
You have to put an apron on first, of course.
Okay, Miss Zekman, we got our second fraction.
Wow.
Ms. Harder, this is our third fraction.
Oh, our third, I don't
Hey,
know how to count.
audience, quiet.
Our third fraction is 1/2.
1/2. What's the equivalent fraction to 1/2?
10/20.
Oh, how about 50/100?
How about 4/8?
How about 1,000/2,000?
Oh, Miss Zekman using the big numbers. Good job, Miss Zekman.
Wow, what are you guys doing?
Hello, Mr. Halverson. We're baking with fractions.
Yeah, and Miss Harder's teaching Miss Zekman how to bake.
Yes, so two challenges in one.
This is a very fancy apron. I'm very impressed.
Thank you.
Is this already pre-measured?
Sure is.
And we need 2 cups of flour. Catch, Miss Harder. I don't think Mr. Wilkinson would be very happy.
I think you'll be fine.
All
Mr.
right.
Wilson has a great sense of humor.
What kind of flour are we using in this recipe?
Regular, normal flour?
All the glutens.
No.
No.
We are using a gluten-free flour because Miss Harder wants to eat the cookies too.
Yes.
Or
I
we did.
like fractions. Like,
Mr. Halverson,
Wait.
do you know what an equivalent fraction is?
I'm guessing that's a fraction that would be equivalent or the same as another fraction.
Yes.
What is the root word of equivalent?
Equal.
Equal. That means the same.
It sure does, Mr. Halverson.
Wow, I feel like I learned something new today.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
Okay, we're ready for the cookies, or the chips. Is
Okay. Oh, we have to turn the oven on.
I thought you already did that, Miss Zekman.
350. Huh.
I literally told her, grade 5s, to put the oven on like 15 minutes ago. She listens about as well as my grade 6s do.
And fold in the chocolate
Get
chips.
the chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. All right, so the chocolate chips is already open because I was already eating some yesterday.
Also, I'd like to point out that a small bag of chocolate chips has 2 cups in it, but Ms. Zekman felt we needed this big bag of chocolate chips.
Yes, of course.
If some is good, more is better. Oh dear Lord. Okay, so grade 6s, we have 2 people who need to go to foods next year.
1 cup.
2 cups and 2 for Miss. Oh.
I lost the chip. 2 cups.
It's still good. It's still good.
And half a cup for Miss Beckman to eat.
That seems fair. Also, why in this video am I the one doing all the hard work here? That's just, I have a question. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. That is that.
Okay, baking pan. I guess we can bring it back over here now.
Do you have to put, okay, slide us over, Miss Woo. Miss Woo, we're over here now.
Oh, sorry.
Come, Miss Woo. Does this need,
No, it's an honor sticker.
have you baked on it before? Does that work? Okay, good.
Why, should I just put some butter on it just in case, maybe?
Yep. Okay, no. When you grease a baking sheet, you take the butter in your hand
Okay.
and you mush it all around.
Okay.
There's mushing.
Oh, I learned something new.
Learned a second thing today.
Grade 6s, I think I could be a home ec teacher. I'm just saying. See how I'm teaching the children here? Okay.
When?
Oh my god. All right, now we gotta wait for them to bake. But first we have to wait for the oven to preheat because Ms. Eggman didn't do that first.
I got distracted. Yours are gonna look like a little. We're ready.
We're halfway there.
All right, Miss Wu, we're gonna need your assistance.
Okay, wait. You gonna put it in the oven?
Yes.
Do you want me to turn? Okay, I'll turn the camera. There you go.
Yeah, you got this, Miss Wu. I believe in you.
All right, now we are going to deliver our delicious cookies to all the staff here. Miss Harder, where are we going first?
We're gonna go to kindergarten.
Oh, a kindergarten. Yeah, you got to start there.
Kindergarten loves cookies. They're not here.
What? All right,
Okay,
you
let's try again.
All right, where are we going now, Miss Harder?
Let's see if Mr. Halverson wants a cookie. Are you filming my butt? Oh, Mr. Halverson's not here either. Okay, this was a terrible idea. Nobody wants to eat our nice cookies.
All right, to grade 1 we go.
Spreading the positivity. Hello, we brought a cookie for you.
Yes, cookies.
Woo!
One for
Did you
Miss
make
Bourbonnais.
these? We sure did right now to teach kids how to do fractions
Yes.
and how to share and spread positivity. Thank you. You're welcome.
And one for Miss Oksana.
Miss Oksana, you gonna have one?
Okay.
Have a little one. There you go.
Thank you very much. It looks delicious.
They are. They're very
Guys, you're
tasty.
Oh yeah, Miss
Woo!
Woo. Woo woo.
Miss Whoop probably wants a cookie. Maybe she doesn't. Hello, Miss Woo.
Hello.
We brought you a cookie.
Cookies.
I'm good.
Oh, no, you gotta take one.
See you later.
Okay. 1 second. Thank you.
Me and Ms. Eggman baked cookies, and we're giving one to all the teachers.
All right, now we'll go to room 2.
Try again.
Oh,
Mr.
look.
Halverson,
Yes.
would you like a cookie
Oh,
to
I-
spread positivity?
Would absolutely love a cookie. Thank you so much.
Would you like 2 cookies, Mr. Halverson?
Yes, please. Thank you. Wow.
Do you have any more hands, or you could have more
This
cookies?
is wonderful. Thank you. I've just never been so lucky before.
Look, look at the smile. We really
Wow.
spread the positivity.
Thank you.
You're
Thanks,
very
Mr.
welcome.
Thank you for
Good
spreading
cookie.
positivity.
Mr. Halverson, would you like another cookie?
Yes, please. I saved one for Mrs. Halverson.
We're messaging her, Mr. Halverson. Look at all the positivity going in people's tummies.
That's the best place for positivity to go.
Mrs. H, would you like a cookie?
I would love a cookie.
All right. Look how happy she is, spreading out positivity.
They're delicious.
No cookies for students. Thanks, Miss H.
You're welcome.
That one. Are you recording?
I come bringing cookies. Would you like a a cookie, Miss Molina?
Thank you, Miss Harder.
Look how happy she is with her cookie.
All right, we made a special cookie for Mr. Wilkinson.
I wonder if Mr. Wilkinson knows his fractions. He waved. Okay, Mrs. Ackerman, can you whip it, please? Whip it. Oh, wash it, nay. Okay, now you have the nay.
I whip my hair back and forth, I whip it.
Okay, all right, here we go. Try not to drop it.
We're spreading the positivity to Mr. Wilkinson, the school principal. Look, he's in his office.
We have here.
We baked cookies. Would you like one?
I would love one. Thank you very much.
Good. We baked you a special one.
Oh,
A principal-sized cookie.
wow, how lucky am I? Lots of additional calories in that one.
You could take some home. You could break it in half, or in quarters, or in eighths.
I was actually thinking 16ths.
Oh, how many pieces is that, grade fives?
16?
You're not supposed to tell them they can comment.